My research was limited by time and resources. This is a common assertion by most students when they write about the limitations of their study. But the question is, are you sure time and resources limited your study? Let us assume this is true. I will not advise you to include it as a limitation of your study, as it may seem weak an argument. Why do I say this? Most master's and degree projects take 3 to 6 months to complete. And that is enough time to complete your project if you set your timelines right. Not to talk about a PhD project which takes a while to complete. Nonetheless, not all research projects demand massive resources to complete. And as long as you have decided to conduct a research, you must have a budget in place to cater for all your expenses. Instead, there are better ways to write the limitations of your study. In this video, I will just expose you to just 3 areas you might consider. First, look at it from the standpoint of scope and generalizability. In this case, you address how the study's population or sample size might limit the generalizability of the findings to other settings or groups. Let's say, for instance, I used a representative sample size of 100 respondents in a specific region. Any findings I generate from this cannot be generalized to a wider population in a different region. So this becomes a limitation. Second, you can look at it from the standpoint of methodological constraints. In this case, you identify any limitations related to the research design, data collection methods, or measurement tools that might affect the validity or reliability of the results. Finally, you can consider the data limitation. In this case, you can discuss any issues with the data itself, such as missing data, potential biases, or constraints in the data accuracy. Being transparent about these limitations helps readers critically evaluate the findings and understand the context in which the study was conducted. If you think there are other better ways to write the limitations of the study, you can let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.